What exactly is a bubble? Typically, we make bubbles from soap and water. But have you ever wondered why those two ingredients can come together to create such a playful pastime? It all comes down to what the soap actually does. We typically use soap for its original purpose, to clean. It does a good job of this because of what it looks like at the molecular level. A soap molecule has two sides to it. A hydrophilic side, which means that it loves water, and a hydrophobic side, which means that it hates water. But it does love things like oil and grease. This means that it does a great job of sticking to the nasty stuff on us that water can't, and then sticks to the water to get washed off. Meanwhile, water molecules love each other so much that they stick together really well. This allows water to have a really high surface tension, which is like the strength of the water pulling in on itself. Imagine the stress on a sheet of paper as you pull on the ends. Surface tension in water is the opposite, with the pulling toward the inside. In fact, this pulling is what allows water to do some really weird things, such as climb up a paper towel by itself, support small objects on the surface, and even hold itself together when you fill a cup just beyond what it can actually hold. Normally, that surface tension is so strong that it will pull away from the sides of most things and just form droplets instead of bubbles. But when that soap molecule is added, the hydrophilic end will stick to the water molecules, while the hydrophobic end will push other nearby water molecules away. This decreases the surface tension and allows the water to form a film instead. But the surface tension is still there. In fact, that's why the soap film has the shapes it does. On the wand, the tension pulls it to conform to the shape of the boundaries. As a bubble, the tension pulls the film into the shape of a sphere to hold as much air as possible. Unfortunately, that tension is a bit tricky, and bubbles inevitably pop. When an outside object touches the film, it pushes the water molecules too far apart, and the bubble quickly collapses under its tension. When the film sits too long, the water will eventually evaporate, causing the bubble to pop without enough water to support it. However, since the soap molecules gently push away nearby water molecules without completely separating them, other soapy materials could pass through the film without disturbing it. This means that an object coated in soapy water, like a finger or the surface of a table, could even touch or safely pass through the film without popping it. All right, I've only just barely broken the surface of bubbles, but I think I'll end it there for now. Thanks for watching today's SciSpark, and if you liked what you saw, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more content. Until next time.